Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man, and this is your Bitcoin update. Today, no 5-minute tube update, today a little bit longer, Bitcoin and Solana. And here is the joke of the day, and guys, remember, a joke of the day keeps the apple away. So guys, we will start with our analysis now, Bitcoin and Solana. What's going on here on the market? I will tell you soon, guys. So, let's go.
System activated.
Here we are, here is our analysis. We have today November the 5th and we are starting with this one. Yes, here is TradingView, the technical analysis. What is telling us this one? On the day, we should buy Bitcoin. On the 4 hours, we should sell Bitcoin. On the 2 hours, we should sell Bitcoin. And also on the 1 hour. So the short time frame is telling us we should sell Bitcoin. The bigger time frame is telling us, yes, nice, we should stay long, we should buy. Guys, here is our really important thing. Here is our dominance for Bitcoin. Look at this. We are now on 43%. Yes, we broke this little uptrend to the downside, and since 1 week it was a better time to trade the altcoins as Bitcoin, better to trade Ethereum, Solana, and so on as Bitcoin. We will check soon what's going on with these coins. Are they going up or are they going down? And Solana, guys, a really big, nice update. I took profit, I can tell you this one. So, okay, guys, we need now an upgoing dominance if we will trade Bitcoin. For the moment, we do not have this one. Guys, this is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can see here on the 1 hour time frame, this is our big problem. We are, for Bitcoin, in this little downtrend. We need to break this downtrend. And the good stuff is we have the yellow line here on the downside. This is our support. And guys, this is really important now. We need to hold this support for Bitcoin. And we need a breakout to the upside. You can see on the down right side here, a buy, a sell, and a buy. This is the daily time frame. And we have here these signals, buy, sell, buy. And I saw for about some minutes here a sell flashing again. So guys, if we will lose this uptrend, this would be the moment to close the long position. This would be the moment to take profit if we will lose this uptrend. In my opinion, attention, guys, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. So, okay, keep on. This is CoinMarketCap. You can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 0.13%, but in the week, a little up with 0.6. And you can see on the right side, we have a green little chart picture here. We are going sideways, a little bit up, but sideways. Ethereum is going better to the upside, 3.6% in 7 days. And now, guys, look at this here, 22%, 9.4% for the day. Is this now the moment to close a long position if you have a Binance coin open? We will check this maybe together a little bit. You can see 20% in the plus. This is also a really nice long position for Solana. And I think this is the moment to take the long position, to take the profit, guys. I will show you soon. Doge is going down. Shiba is going down. I made a really nice short position on Shiba. For the moment, I'm in a long position here, and I think that's a nice thing for the moment for Shiba. A short position and now the long position. So guys, here is the next thing. I found this for you. This is the 1 hour time frame, and we are here on this candlestick patterns. Guys, I found this gravestone doji. Horrible, or? This is a bearish reversal pattern on the 1 hour time frame. After this, we saw a downgoing price for Bitcoin. So this pattern are really important if you are trading. Look at the pattern, guys. I will show you this on my 1 hour time frame here for Bitcoin. On my live stream, I will activate this because they are really important. After this bad, horrible pattern, we're going down now. And the big thing is now, where is the next bullish pattern? Where is the next thing? Can this support hold now? And we will check this now in this one here. This is the chart picture for the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin. You saw the downgoing parallel channel. Yes, we broke out to the upside, but for the moment we are going down again, and we are retesting this downtrend. We are not back in the downtrend, but we are retesting it. We are still in this nice little uptrend, and the important thing is, yes, we need to stay in this uptrend. On the downside, we have this green line. This is a really big support. Look at the number of spikes on this support. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10,000 spikes to the downside. Not 10,000, but a lot of spikes to the downside. So this green support line is so important. If we will lose this with a confirmed closing candle, I will make a stop position here. I will go out from my long. But for the moment, everything is okay. Let me check the next one, the bar chart. Every day I make a short video for the bar chart, and you can see the resistance points and the support points. And for the moment, let me check this one. This is the support point. First pivot support point, 60,370. Let's make a line here. 60,370. Let's make a line here. And this is now a big support. It's a green one. And you can see, guys, this support is holding. We see a lot of spikes here. Here a spike, here a spike, here a spike, here a perfect spike to the downside. And this support is holding for the moment. That's very important now, guys. If we will lose this uptrend, this parallel channel, the next support is this line, 60,300. If we will lose this, we have 60,000 to the downside, big support. Now, let me check. What's the next resistance point? If we can go up more and more, the next first pivot point, 62,794. Let's make a line here on this point. 62,900, something about this. This is now a big resistance line. We can make it red. A resistance is always a red line. You can see for the moment, Bitcoin is acting between this big support and this big resistance line. We are spiking between these both lines, and we need a clear breakout to the upside or to the downside. As I told you, as long as we're on this uptrend, this parallel channel, everything is okay. Now, let's make one thing, and that's also very important. That's the Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point. And you can see these are now these important lines, and we are fighting between both of these lines. First of all, we have a big line to the downside. This is a Fibonacci about 0.236, 60,000. Okay, 60,000, big psychological support. We know it. And the big resistance to the upside, we also can see it, is here the 0.5 Fibonacci line at 62,400. So we are fighting between both of this line to the downside. Remember, 60,000, biggest support ever for the moment for Bitcoin, and resistance on the upside, 62,400. So, okay, and we are fighting between this. And I think if we will see the fight over this 0.5 Fibonacci, we may see a next move to the upside. If we will lose 60,000, we may see a next dump to the hell now. So guys, important to watch this on the next days maybe. Okay, you know the resistance to the upside, you know the support to the downside. Let's move on. Let's check the next thing. We have 7 minutes today, okay? A longer video as I told you, but I will like to show you Solana also here a little bit later, guys. Okay, let's move on. This parallel channel is holding, as I told you. Let me check the next thing. Yes, the next thing is the ribbon band, and you can see if you're zooming in a little bit more, we have some problems now to the upside. We have the ribbon band here, that's the red ribbon band, and we have the EMA 200 line, that's the yellow line. These lines, or this ribbon band, these indicators, are a big resistance for us on the 1 hour time frame. Let me check this one on the 4 hour. What's going on here? We have here a ribbon band. It's a green one, yes, but it's a green one for now. We are under this ribbon band, and you can see the EMA 200 is here on 58,000. Okay, forget the EMA 200. But the ribbon band is now also on the 4 hour time frame, a big resistance. Now, let me check the 1 day. What is telling us the 1 day? A lot of drawings here. I know it, guys. We will remove some drawings here to make it easier for you to watch. So, the 1 day time frame, every candle is 1 day, and you can see the ribbon band on the downside. A really big support. We see the spikes down to the first line of the ribbon band. It's holding. We can make a line from the highest point to the lowest point from the upside, and we can make a line from the lowest point to this point to the upside. Guys, what do you see here? Let me hear. Okay, I will help you. It's easy. It's a triangle. You can see it. We are forming on the 1 day a really big triangle now. So the big thing is now we can make a nice line to the upside and a nice line to the downside. We have a technical target. That's the highest point to the lowest point. Let me copy it. Maybe if we will break out on this point, depends always where we will break out. Target 74,700. If we can break out this target to the upside, everything is looking for this. But guys, we need to watch it. If we will break down, look at this. We're coming closely, really closely to the EMA 200. It's possible to touch this line again. In every pump, we saw a touch to the EMA 200. 48,800 is the technical target to the downside. 74,700 is the technical target if we can break out to the upside. That's one of the biggest things we have to watch here on the bigger time frames, guys. So if we are watching the Ichimoku, this is also really important. You can see the 9 lengths, the blue line, and the 26 lengths, the red line. And you can see for the moment, both are holding the support. So on the day, yes, we are bullish. We have a nice uptrend. We have big support on the downside. We have the ribbon band. We have the Ichimoku blue and the red line. So a lot of support is here, but we need to break out of this triangle to the upside. That's one of the biggest things for the moment to watch, guys, for Bitcoin. So today, not a 5-minute tube update. Today, I had to show you something more, and I think it's really important for you. You have on the downside the big support, 47,000, but guys, I hope that we will break out to the upside with the triangle, not to the downside. I will close my long position if we will lose this ribbon band, this triangle, and something like that. I will show you this also on my live stream. You can watch it, guys. If I will close my long position, I show it there to you here on the live stream. So, okay, guys, but as long as we have this yellow line here, everything is okay. Special, really special thanks to Ryan in real life. He is my top supporter of my live stream. Guys, I need your support here. Toby Talks is place number 1 of the bits, and Crypto Sharknado place number 2. He spent 100 bits. Toby Talks 200 bits. Special thanks also to my nice mod Angry Higgins, and also don't forget my nice mod Crypto Sharknado. He's supporting me and he's a mod also. So special thanks, guys, to you. Without you, I can't make this here. Without my nice mods, I can't make this stuff here, guys. Without your support, I can't make this, guys. So I need your thumbs up and everything. So, guys, now Solana. Let me show you this. I will not make an extra Solana video. I will show you this one here. We have a nice parallel channel to the upside. We have a triangle, and I showed you this point here since October, guys. If we will break out from this triangle, we have nice targets to the upside. I made a long position. I showed you 164. If we will break this, it's time to make a long position. I made a long position. Congratulations to everyone who made a long position here on Solana with me on this point here. And now we are here on the upside. And I can tell you guys, I took profit here on the upside. Why? The target, the big target for Solana breakout is 257. Yes, and I'm sure Solana will make a nice move more and more to the upside like Ethereum and so on. Okay. But as a trader, I have to take profit. Guys, let me show you. Here was the breakout point, 164. And here was my take profit point on the upside of this parallel channel. These are 51%. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're trading with $10, 50, 100,000. It doesn't matter, guys. You made 50% profit. Congratulations if you followed my nice long position here on Solana. But guys, it's really, really important to take profit. But because if we will go down from here and you're waiting for more, you're waiting for 257 or to the upside 277 or more and more, and the coin will go down from here, your long position is dead and you can't make profit. So guys, it's always, really always, let me tell it, always important. Take your profit if you're trading like this. Yes, the coin can moon to the upside and we can we are not here in the long position because we took profit, but if the coin will moon, okay, it should moon. But this is real money. This money can't take anyone here from you. These are from one Solana, 160 to 250, 80, about $80 per Solana, guys. And this is a really, really nice trade to the long side. So guys, it's always really important, once again, to take profit here. Okay, I'm out of Solana, waiting what's going on. It's maybe the time for a little short position here. Okay, maybe we will go down here again. It's possible. We have to take a look about this. And we have here the next targets to the downside. You can see it. This is also here our Fibonacci line. I will draw in the near future new Fibonacci lines here because of the newest highest point here. But you can see these points here on the middle line. These are the next support. If we will break down from here, guys, we will watch the blue line. And this is a price about $200 US if we are going down more again from here. So guys, this is it. This is the update for Bitcoin, and this is my little update for Solana. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Today is a little longer video, 13 minutes, 40 minutes, but this was very important for me that I can show it to you. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings, and very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advisor. Bam. Make it good, guys.
System activated.